Hey Biscuits, welcome back to the channel. So today's video was really kindly sponsored by PatPat, and they wanted to help me show you kind of my day in the life from the time I wake up in bed. I am so tired, please let me sleep another half hour. And as we go through our day as a little family, how to have really stylish, fun, cute clothes for me and my little monkey, and then not sacrifice on functionality, right? Because, you know, if you're breastfeeding or if you're running after a little kid, you need your clothes to be comfortable and movable, but you also want them to be beautiful and handsome and cute for you and your little monkey, right? It's kind of fun to coordinate your little outfits and go around and have a good time and let style be accessible and affordable and fun and comfy. So come along in my day in the life and we'll go through all our fun outfits. This moon humidifier is amazing. It puts a little moisture in there. You can do a little essential oil in it and make it just smell fabulous in the room. So when we get up in the morning, I turn on the light for the little moon and I turn on the humidifier function, and it just kind of helps us both wake up and be ready for play, because as soon as my son is up, he is ready to play. He wants to play with all of his toys and interact, and that makes it so much more fun and comfy for me if I can just throw on a comfortable hoodie over my pajamas, feel good, feel all warm, and be ready to hang out with him and play with him, because he gets going immediately without question. These striped rainbow leggings, my son just adores anything to do with rainbows. He's really interested in weather patterns and cloud types and what causes rainbows, what causes lightning and thunder. Okay, you know I call my little monkey a monkey all the time, so a monkey t-shirt makes absolute sense. One of the first books he was really interested in being read from was Curious George books. So we have a big compilation book that has tons of the oldest stories, and he just loves anything monkey related, and I kind of find it extra sweet for me because I do think of him as my little monkey. So whenever I can find a sweet, comfy monkey shirt that he will wear, it is a go-to style item for him. Hey, if you want an extra $12 off any of your orders, you can use my fabulous code. I'm going to put it up right there on the screen. Boom! Rose12. That's all it is. You just type that in at PatPat and you get $12 off your order, which is really nice because you're basically getting a free t-shirt, a free pair of pants that way. It's a pretty good deal. If you have a child with sensory processing disorder like I do, you discover that clothing texture, clothing type is really important to get your child to enjoy wearing clothes and to be agreeable to putting on clothes. These have a stretchy, nice waist. They're comfy. They're just the right size. He really liked them and he didn't try to take them off right away. Do you have a kid that loves anything that hangs out in muck or guck or mud or water? I do. He loves this little frog shirt. Oh my goodness. We wear it when we go frog hunting in the duck ponds in the area, and he just thinks it's fabulous. Like, oh look, I have a frog on my shirt. Let's go find frogs. It leads to inspiration for the rest of the day to do frog, fun, aquatic themed things with my little guy, and he really enjoys that. I love these little egg shapers. They are so cute. And if you have a picky eater, something I have found is that making the food fun and playful and interactive makes them so much more likely to actually eat the food. These are great. You can make little molds of eggs to go on top of a sandwich. You can do a breakfast burrito. You can just do a plate of beautiful decorative eggs with a nice little sauce on top. It is easy, it is quick. 5 minutes and you have breakfast that a picky little eater will actually eat. And you know how miraculous that is. This black jumpsuit is just a mama springtime summer uniform. You toss it on. It's an all-in-one outfit. It is stylish, it is comfy, and you can layer a sweater over it. You can keep bare shoulder if it's hot out. It is just a go-to mommy uniform. It is so fun. You're going to see this all over my Instagram because I'm going to be wearing this all the time. It is just a great jumpsuit, an easy color. It is flattering on pretty much every body type. How rare is that? How rare is that? Look at this cute little truck pullover. Oh my goodness, it is adorable. If you have a little monkey like I do who loves construction equipment and trucks and anything with an engine, He was delighted to get to wear this. He thought it was so comfy, and I thought it was absolutely adorable on him. This embroidered maternity and nursing dress is beautiful. I can absolutely see myself going on vacation, wearing my fun comfy dress, and just feeling stylish and not too warm, and easy access for breastfeeding. It is so comfy, and it hits at a great point on your thigh. I'm a little bit less than 5'8", and I think that's really flattering. You want to find a dress that hits at the right point in your leg to flatter your body type. Hey, did you like coming along for our day? I hope you did. Thank you again to PatPat for sponsoring this video. It just means the world to us. We really loved getting to wear these outfits. They were so much fun, and we're going to keep wearing them. We've kind of been wearing them around all week, actually. So if you see them on Instagram, that's why. We were like, oh, I want to wear this all the time. It's so comfy. It really is. I really liked the quality of these clothes. They're nice, soft textures. They're lightweight, so they aren't heavy materials. And they were a big hit with my little monkey as well as me. Until next time, I will see you all over Instagram. I'll see you all over my YouTube channel and all around, because hey, I love hearing from you and seeing thumbs up for these. And if you haven't already, feel free and subscribe. Join the Rose Kelly channel. It's pretty fun. We do a lot of vlogs and cleaning tips and lifestyle and fashion and just fun videos to entertain mamas and dads. Hey, I will see you all around.